Hey there and welcome. If you're here, you've probably noticed an underlined word or sentence in your Google Sheets and want to get rid of that underline quickly and easily. No worries at all. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the absolute easiest way to remove an underline from your text in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident managing text underlines, removing them, adding them back in, and knowing the best shortcuts to save yourself tons of time. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open up your Google Sheets document. Now let's locate the text that's underlined. This could be a single cell, a chunk of data, or even just a word that's standing out because of that underline. Click once on the cell you want to change so it's highlighted. If you've got a bunch of underlined cells, you can actually select multiple by holding down the Command key on Mac or Control on Windows and clicking each cell. This is really handy if you're cleaning up a bunch of formatting at once. Once you've got your cell selected, look up at the top of your screen for the menu bar. Click on Format, that's where Google Sheets keeps all its styling tools. When that drops down, hover your mouse over text. This helps make sure you're changing only how your text looks, not the cell background or anything else. In the text menu, you'll see Underline. It probably has a little check mark next to it, letting you know the underline is currently active. Now here's the magic. Simply click Underline once. Immediately, you'll see the underline disappear from your text, almost like flipping a switch. This works just like turning off bold or italics. What's great is you're not deleting any actual data, just updating how it looks. Let's pause here for a moment because sometimes people worry they'll mess something up. Don't stress. The formatting menu is very forgiving. If you make a change you didn't mean to, just press undo or hit Ctrl+Z and you're right back where you started. And here's a time saver. If you ever want to put the underline back, just repeat these exact same steps. Select your text, head to Format, hover over Text, and click on Underline again. It works like a toggle on and off, super simple. Now if you love keyboard shortcuts and who doesn't want to move a bit faster, there's a quicker way. With your text or cell selected, just press Ctrl+U on your keyboard. That's it. On a Mac, that Command+U pressing this combo will instantly add or remove the underline depending on its current state. You can use this shortcut as often as you need, saving yourself multiple clicks through the menus, especially if you're working on a big data set or making lots of formatting tweaks. So just to recap, to remove an underline in Google Sheets, you can use the Format menu or the keyboard shortcut. Both are reliable, safe, and immediate. No hidden menus, no complicated tools, and definitely no need for special add-ons or scripts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Drop your questions in the comments if you're stuck at any step, or if there's another Google Sheets trick you'd like to learn. And definitely hit that subscribe button for more easy-to-understand tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy sheet editing.